Hi! In front of me is WIKO U Pulse, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access Languages and Input. Now tap on Virtual Keyboard and Keyboard. Over here, you need to click on Theme section. Scroll down and tap on those icons to see all available themes. When you finished, click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, access exactly the same settings. But this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!